Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion for book writing, the most effective way to organize your ideas, chapters, and research all in one place. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. Now that we've done that, name it after your book title. This serves as your main workspace where you'll be able to see everything related to your book at a glance. Next up, let's create sections for each chapter of your book. The reason we do this is to break down your book into manageable pieces. Each section will contain notes, drafts, and ideas pertaining to that chapter, creating a clean and organized writing process. Now, under each chapter, create separate pages for characters, plots, settings, and research. This helps us because it keeps all our information neatly categorized and easily accessible. So whenever you need to find a piece of information quickly, you know exactly where to look. Let me explain why this matters. The beauty of Notion is that it's more than just a word processor. It's a comprehensive organizational tool. You can add links, images, and even embed videos to your notes to enrich your writing environment. Finally, use Notion's status property to keep track of your progress. Mark each chapter as to do, in progress, or completed. This way, you'll always know where you stand and what you need to focus on next. In conclusion, Notion is a versatile tool that can transform your book writing process by keeping you organized and focused. It's like having a personal assistant to keep track of your book's progress. Now that you know how to use Notion for book writing, it's time to start your writing journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.